बहुत समय पहले मैं वेद व्यास को देखा था जिन्होंने महाभारत लिखी। आज जुगल व्यास को देख रहा हूं जो महाभारत तो नहीं लिखते लेकिन इंफॉर्मेशन नेटवर्क में इनको लोग प्यार से गूगल बुलाते हैं। चोर इनसे घबराते हैं क्योंकि ये एथिकल हैकर है। एंड 10th स्टैंडर्ड में उन्होंने बहुत फैंटास्टिक उपलब्धि हासिल कर ली थी इन हिज आईटी करियर। तो वो क्या कहते हैं, वो सुपूत के पैर पालने में दिख रहे थे 10th स्टैंडर्ड में ही। He's been in business for 5 years, so महाभारत की तरह 5 उनके लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। Maybe he had 5 girlfriends in college, I don't know that. In business for 5 years, target for 23-24 is 5 crores। कहीं वो भी कॉलेज का टारगेट तो नहीं था। I won't ask you अचीव हुआ कि नहीं। He loves cats and just like me, his favorite hobby is watching movies. So over to you, Jugal, who is fondly known as Google by his friends. Thank you.
So, thank you Teja sir for the kind words. Thank you LTT, thank you Sneha ma'am especially for this. And we'll start. So, Infoway is the name of my company. My father started it about 37 years back. He was earlier with another company but into software in that case. And this company, to start with, earlier this company overall, earlier he was into software solution for diamond, for builders, for garment industry, for the real estate agents. And next we'll be moving on to is the HIS ERP, which is my category here, which is the software solution for builders. So, HIS ERP, HIS stands for Housing Industry Software. ERP as in Enterprise Resource Planning. It helps to automate the operations of any business at a larger scale and all the departments. So this one is specifically for the real estate builders. So that is how it is HIS ERP. This is my tagline, the only user-friendly ERP solution. You will eventually know throughout the presentation why this tagline. And this software, like we are doing this is 30 years. From the floppy disk that was pre-Windows era. He's my father, Vijay Vyas. He started his company, he started his software. From day one, he himself majorly coded all the things. Most of you have met him, he had come as a visitor, right? Yeah. And he's more of a one-man show. From development to coding to marketing to sales to service. He has done this all through all these years. He has done BCom, but still he possesses the IT knowledge. And we'll click on next. This is a history. 1993, it was version 2 of this system. And before that, it was just for one customer, customized. But then since 93, we tweaked it in a way that we can make it as a general product. 1998, HIS Windows version was came. Till date, it was on the DOS base. Windows was, helped by Raheja Builders. They, funded us sort of to the process. Then from 2015, it is a web application. Then there is no stopping because there is a lot of interconnectivity options. In 2017, we brought up mobile app and cloud telephony, and then onward WhatsApp, email, and everything is going on. So these are the modules majorly categorized. This module is pre-sales, sales, which is one part, which is from first marketing call till the booking is made. Next is post-sales, which is booking to possession, redevelopment, take care of the existing tenant details. Post-possession is not much in use right now. This will be after the maintenance part, which builders collect 2 months of maintenance. Next. Construction, the budgeting part, the site management, all the material inward, outward, and the contract management. Cash flow is we do have an option to purchase a specific module, not all the modules at once as per requirement. So cash flow, if a builder is taking both the modules, then he knows that how much is payable for next month and how much is receivable, and accordingly he can adjust the funds. That is a small thing. Now this is the upcoming thing which I'll be coming, which people here, it might be useful for them. For example, Vishal sir, Gagan sir. So this one is vendor. So the vendors can register on my portal and they can see the requirements of my existing client builders and they can quote from there, and they can get the order if it works well. So vendor, potential customers, even they have a login. They will be having a login to view the project details. Existing customer, they can view their details. This is live already. Channel partners and architects can submit the slab completion certificate and everything. So, we were part of their growth. These are a couple of big names which we have worked with all these years. Oberoi, Raheja, Ajmera, Rustamji, Supreme, Mantra, Ekta, there's probably one more. Okay, so Oberoi, when they started with the 2 BHK flat, from there they shifted to Andheri, then they made an Andheri project, they made Kandivali project, about 10-12 projects were done by Oberoi on a system. Then they shifted to Goregaon, Oberoi Woods, there also it was my system. Then 2 years they took to implement SAP, which is next level from ERP, and from then onwards they are on SAP. So throughout their journey, we were with them. Raheja, I told you they helped with the Windows version. Next. These are my existing clients. Moraj, which is in Vashi, they have a upcoming project in Prapadevi, and Dr. Matul, Sriji, Amal, these are just few of them. Before I continue, I would like to thank a couple of people, couple of our members. Ajay sir, he is not here. Jayesh sir, Vishal sir, Sanam. They gave a very good power day to me in this last few months. Shyam Sharma sir, Shyam Agrawal sir, they referred me to builders. And Manish sir, Nishit Shah, they connected me to relationship referrals, which can lead to a good connect. And
No, I'm coming there.
okay, and